Welcome to the dawn of a new era. The year is 2023. A team of researchers at a renowned tech company unveils a groundbreaking AI model capable of composing original music indistinguishable from that of human composers. This stunning achievement sends ripples throughout the creative industries, raising questions about the future of artistic expression in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence. The AI revolution is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. This rapid evolution, while exciting, also breeds uncertainty. Many fear job displacement and the obsolescence of traditional skills. However, amidst this technological upheaval, one thing remains clear: the human element remains crucial. While AI excels at automating tasks and processing information, certain enduring skills remain uniquely human, setting us apart in this new era. This essay explores these essential skills, emphasizing their significance in navigating the AI-driven world. It's not about resisting change, but about adapting and thriving alongside it. By understanding and honing these durable skills, we can not only survive but flourish in this exciting new era of human-machine collaboration. In the fast-changing landscape of AI, adaptability reigns supreme. The ability to learn new skills, embrace new technologies, and adjust to evolving work environments is no longer optional. It's essential for survival. The days of static career paths are fading. Instead, we face a future of dynamic roles demanding continuous learning and upskilling. Consider the healthcare industry. AI is rapidly transforming diagnostics, treatment planning, and even surgery. Doctors and nurses who embrace these technologies, constantly updating their knowledge and skills, will thrive. Those resistant to change risk being left behind. Adaptability extends beyond individual careers. Businesses must also adapt their operations, embracing AI for greater efficiency and innovation. This might involve automating routine tasks, leveraging AI-powered analytics for better decision-making, or even reimagining entire business models. The companies that embrace this change, fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, will lead the pack in the AI-driven economy. While AI excels at analyzing data and replicating patterns, creativity remains a distinctively human trait. AI can compose music, generate art, and even write code, but it lacks the spark of original thought, the ability to think outside the box, and the emotional depth that fuels true creative expression. Take, for instance, the world of advertising. AI can analyze consumer data and generate targeted ads, but it's the human touch, the creative spark of a compelling story, a witty tagline, or a visually stunning design that captures attention and drives engagement. In a world saturated with information and automation, creativity becomes even more valuable. It's the ability to connect with audiences on an emotional level, to offer fresh perspectives, and to develop innovative solutions that sets us apart from the algorithmic efficiency of AI. Cultivating our creative potential, whether through artistic pursuits, problem-solving, or entrepreneurial endeavors, will be key to thriving in the AI era. Section 4. Critical Thinking: Navigating the Sea of Information. The AI revolution has brought about an explosion of information. We are constantly bombarded with data, opinions, and narratives, making it increasingly challenging to discern truth from falsehood, bias from objectivity. This is where critical thinking comes into play. The ability to analyze information objectively, identify biases, and form independent judgments. Consider the realm of online news and social media. AI-powered algorithms curate our news feeds, often creating echo chambers that reinforce existing biases. Critical thinking enables us to question the information presented to us, seek out diverse perspectives, and form our own informed opinions rather than blindly accepting what we see online. This skill is crucial not just for navigating the online world, but also for making sound decisions in all aspects of life. Whether we're evaluating investment opportunities, assessing political candidates, or making personal choices, critical thinking empowers us to make informed decisions based on reason and evidence rather than succumbing to manipulation or misinformation. Section 5. Emotional Intelligence: The Bridge Between Man and Machine. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's easy to forget the importance of human connection. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and empathize with others, remains a vital skill in the AI era. It's this capacity for empathy compassion, and understanding that allows us to build meaningful relationships, foster collaboration, and navigate the complexities of human interaction. Consider the workplace. As AI takes over routine tasks, the human element becomes even more crucial. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can build strong teams, motivate employees, and foster a positive and productive work environment. They can bridge the gap between human and machine, ensuring that AI is used ethically and effectively to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. Emotional intelligence is also essential for personal well-being. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, it's easy to feel isolated and disconnected. Nurturing our emotional intelligence allows us to build strong relationships, find support during challenging times, and cultivate a sense of belonging and purpose. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the future with confidence. The AI revolution presents both challenges and opportunities. While it's natural to feel apprehensive about the unknown, we must remember that history is replete with examples of humanity adapting to and thriving amidst technological advancements. The key lies in embracing change, focusing on our uniquely human strengths, and developing the skills that will allow us to navigate this new reality with confidence. By honing our adaptability, nurturing our creativity, sharpening our critical thinking, and cultivating our emotional intelligence, we can not only survive but flourish in the AI-driven world. It's not about resisting the tide of progress, but about learning to ride the waves, steering ourselves towards a future where human ingenuity and technological prowess work in harmony. The future is not something to be feared, but embraced. It's a future where humans and AI collaborate, where technology enhances our capabilities, and where we continue to learn, grow, and redefine what it means to be human in an ever-evolving world.